Hey, well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little different project. Today we're actually going to go help someone else do a project. He's putting shop doors up, and he asked 2 months ago when it was roughly, 80 degrees, nice and sunny, shorts weather, to help him put up some shop doors. But we're going to go help him out today. We got the large project moving. We're mobilizing to his project. So how about that? But stick around. I am going to... Well, that's going to wrap it up. We got back and I ate some lunch and had some good gumbo. This kind of weather is just really warming. Checked on the pond. You can see, even with the front that came in, we got maybe an 1/8 inch of rain. So no luck there on the rain. I went and checked on some of the fish, and they're not moving very well. Kind of sluggish with the cooler weather, but we didn't make it home. Might have to get all this stuff unloaded and try to get back in the shop, get this tractor off of here, and probably go build a fire and just enjoy the rest of a Sunday. So appreciate y'all watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Well,